In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to connect your iPad to Apple keyboard. So let's get started. Now we have basically three possible variations of keyboards that can go with your iPad. So first is a magic keyboard that looks something like this, and it is Bluetooth. So for that, you just have to turn on the magic keyboard, and then on your iPad, go to Bluetooth settings. Just wait for, in the other devices section, wait for the magic keyboard to appear. Then just go ahead and click on it, and your keyboard should be successfully connected. However, this magic keyboard can sometimes also come with a USB-C. Now, if it comes with a USB-C, then you can directly connect the USB-C to your iPad and connect the other side to the keyboard, and then it's a direct wired connection. So those are the two variations covered. And the last variation, which is also very common, is basically a smart keyboard folio, you could say. Now, this is how it looks like. It's basically connects to your iPad and it makes it like a laptop type thingy. Now, for this, you just have to attach the keyboard to the smart connector on the iPad, and it will connect automatically. So you just have to set this up, just set this thing with the iPad, and it will automatically connect. You don't need any Bluetooth for the keyboard to work. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.